And next pack tayo. 5 packs left. Hopefully, humabol tayo sa bangers. Green Ice Slam nga talaga sana habol. Jay Sean Tate for the... Oh, I think there's an insert. Ooh, this looks nice. Jay Sean Tate for the Rockets. Kyra Lewis Jr. for the Pelicans. Jalen Smith for the Suns. Jakob Poeltl for the Spurs. Duncan Robinson for the Heat. And what do we have? Oh, it's a slam! It's a slam! So may slam na nga tayo. Lumabas na nga. And Isaiah Todd for the Wizards. And Josh Primo for the Spurs. And finally, we have our slam. Green Ice nga. Nice. This is nice. Uy. Uy. For what team? Nakita mo ba? Green, no? Green for the Nets. Kenyon Martin. Congrats, Brooklyn. This goes to Boss Toby. Nice hit. Kenyon Martin. Nice hit. Ganda. Green Ice Slam. More budget breaks. Yes, boss. Try natin. Magdagdag palang budget breaks. And Davion Mitchell for the Sacramento Kings arriving now. Ayo Dosunmu for the Bulls. Fred VanVleet, Green Ice. Ganda. Scotty Barnes. Franz Wagner. Jalen Suggs. Chris Duarte. Another Jalen Suggs. And another Franz Wagner. LCA Green Ice for CJ McCollum. Skyview Holo for Kawhi. Cade Cunningham. Evan Mobley. Jonathan Kuminga. Moses Moody, class of 2021. Jalen Green, a base, and the class of 2021. Josh Giddey. Corey Kispert for the Wizards, Green Ice. And our Green Ice, JT Thor for the Hornets. And of course, our Green Ice Slam, Kenyon Martin for the for the New Jersey Nets. Congrats, everyone. That's it for RBB31. Again, thank you for supporting, for joining. See you guys again on our next breaks. Peace.